You guys, my name is Skyboy and I am here with
Miss Nafula.
Miss Nafula. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to see you again.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Miss Nafula, I just have few questions that I want to ask you. So how can you see that?
It's okay. Go ahead.
So aje nikuulize. Hapo nimekuwa na mafans wananiuliza nikuulize venye ulianza dancing. Saa nataka ueleze in short hii dancing ulianza aje?
Maybe nisemaje, it's a talent. Nilianza kudance nikiwa mdogo, but taking it seriously, let me say nilianza kitu around 2023. Yeah, kuifanya like kitu serious.
2023 ndio ulianza ukapush kabisa. Ulikuja kuit when which year?
Sometime back 2022 ama niseme 22, but sasa niseme sana imekuwa, let me say last year. Last year, yeah.
Oh. Na tuseme nikuulize umezaliwa wapi, which county in Kenya, which county?
Bungoma County.
Wewe ni wa Bungoma?
Yeah.
Watu wa Bungoma ndio huyu girl wenu wako hapa.
Yeah, Mulivalamu.
Mulivalamu.
Yeah.
Another question, give any advice to any upcoming dancers. Mpe advice mwenye ana look up to you.
Mambo si mengi. God first, hard work, consistency.
Hivyo tu.
Na discipline
pia. Na mtu mwenye anapush na anaona mambo haisongi, anapush anaketia tuseme 200 views nini, 100 views, unaweza mwambia nini?
Time yake itakaa, si give up. Kila mtu uko na wakati wake.
Endelee tu kupush. So Miss Nafula, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So we are out.
All right. Yo guys, my name is Skyboy and I am here with
Miss Nafula.
Hey, Miss Nafula, you are just fine girl.
Thank you.
You are good too.
Thank you.
So I'm Skyboy, and I just have a few questions, 1, 2, 3. I want to ask you, how can you start?
It's okay, go ahead.
Okay, let me ask you about dancing. So who inspire you in dancing?
There is this girl from abroad, anaitwa Mackenzie.
Mackenzie?
Yeah.
Oh, big shout to Mackenzie. You inspire Miss Nafula in dancing. So Miss Nafula, there is somebody there in the back, maybe is looking up to you. Maybe anasema anataka kuweka wewe. So which advice will you give him or her?
Mine is just simple. Hard work.
Yes.
Consistency.
Yes.
Na prayers. Zingine zote Mungu atafanya.
Okay, so Miss Nafula, kitu ingine maybe nasa kuuliza juu hata mimi nimekuwa nikikuona hapo juu. So I don't know why ulifika hapo aje.
Me I will say ni God, for real. It's God all along.
Ni God tu.
Yeah, niliweka kazi, niliekelea kazi, nikakuwa na consistent na nikaomba, and then God just did the rest.
Okay. So Miss Nafula, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So we are out.
We are out.
Yeah.